Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in, the UK equivalent of Rocket Money. Now, I know that Rocket Money is a really popular app in the US, and it's been getting a lot of attention lately. But what about here in the UK? Is there a similar app that we can use to save money on our bills and subscriptions? Well, the good news is that there are a few options available to us. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 of the best alternatives to Rocket Money that you can use in the UK. What is Rocket Money? Before we get into the UK alternatives, let's take a quick look at what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money on your bills and subscriptions. It does this by automatically tracking your spending and identifying areas where you can save money. Rocket Money also offers a number of other features such as bill negotiation. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower rates on your bills, such as your internet, cable, and phone bills. Subscription cancellation. Rocket Money can help you cancel unused subscriptions and get your money back. Credit score monitoring. Rocket Money can help you track your credit score and get alerts if there are any changes. UK alternatives to Rocket Money. Now that we know what Rocket Money is, let's take a look at some of the best UK alternatives. Truebill. Truebill is a very similar app to Rocket Money. It tracks your spending, identifies areas where you can save money, and helps you negotiate lower rates on your bills. Truebill also offers a number of other features, such as subscription management. Truebill can help you manage all of your subscriptions in one place. Price tracking. Truebill can track the prices of products and services that you're interested in. Credit report monitoring. Truebill can help you monitor your credit report and get alerts if there are any changes. Moneybox. Moneybox is a great app for saving money. It offers a number of different savings pots that you can use to save for specific goals. Moneybox also has a number of features that make it easy to save money, such as roundups. Moneybox can automatically round up your purchases to the nearest pound and save the difference. Challenges. Moneybox offers a number of challenges that you can participate in to help you save money. Rewards. Moneybox offers a number of rewards that you can earn for saving money. Honey. Honey is a browser extension that can help you save money on your online shopping. Honey automatically finds and applies coupon codes to your purchases. Honey also has a number of other features such as price comparisons. Honey can compare prices from different retailers to help you find the best deal. Cashback rewards. Honey can earn you cashback on your purchases. Price drop alerts. Honey can send you alerts when the price of a product that you're interested in drops. Which UK alternative to Rocket Money is right for you? The best UK alternative to Rocket Money for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for an app that offers a wide range of features, then Truebill is a good option. If you're looking for an app that's focused on saving money, then Moneybox is a good option. And if you're looking for an app that can help you save money on your online shopping, then Honey is a good option. I hope this video has helped you learn more about the UK equivalents of Rocket Money. If you're looking for a way to save money on your bills and subscriptions, I highly recommend checking out one of these apps. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Additional tips for saving money in the UK. Switch to a cheaper energy supplier. Cancel unused subscriptions. Shop around for the best deals on insurance. Use cashback websites. Cook your own meals instead of eating out. I hope these tips help you save money in the UK. If you're interested in learning more about how to save money in the UK, please check out my other videos on this topic. Thanks for watching.